I wrote this rhyme a while back, and I named it Angry Nigga. And I named it Angry Nigga because that's what they tend to call us once we wake up, you know. Once you're conscious and you start really figure out what's going on, now you angry. Now you're an angry black man. So I wanted to shine some light coming from where I come from. And once I seen the truth and start recognizing it, I was like, you know what? I think I need to write about this. So I'm gonna express these lyrics to you without a beat. I'm just wanna give them to you because I feel like the words the words mean a lot. So check me out. Never had a dime until I broke it off a dub. Living in the Delta, forced to get it out the mud. OG's love was a 60 and a 40 split. Kicking in the door as a YG taking shit. Didn't know the consequence, living like a rapper pit. Cottonfield a jailhouse unless I found my way out. Mama tried to take us there, but daddy brought us back down. Can't blame them now, this is how they made our profile. Living in the South, this is how this shit go down. Niggas getting hung before they cross the Mississippi. Dying with their hands up, heart still innocent. Could have been the next black senator, they fearing us. Poison the mind of our youth is how they killing us. Label me another angry nigga cause I'm fed up. Still wearing blue in the hood that they gave us. White man hanging on the wall, they call him savior. How in the hell you gonna tell me this ain't slavery? Knees getting swollen cause I'm walking on this pavement. Trying to reach the truth, Father help me save my babies. Hustling with my hands, sitting still to drive me crazy. Came up on the block but getting money was amazing. Put it in some jewelry and cars just to save it. Project baby going next door to bar shit, it's all in the love. Cause they'll do the same shit. You know, it seems like once you conscious, they wanna call us angry. We ain't angry. We just conscious now. Hold on.